Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Healthy Living with Tosin. So today we are making Nigerian puff-puff plant-based style with homemade chocolate syrup and coconut flour. Eating healthy does not mean that you miss out on some Nigerian desserts or delicious snacks. So today we'll be making Nigerian puff-puff with a twist. In case you're new here, welcome to this channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn on notification, like this video and share with friends and family. So let's get started. So I'll start by mixing the flour, coconut sugar, salt, nutmeg and cinnamon powder in a bowl. So this will help me start the batter for the Nigerian puff-puff. To start with the wet ingredients, I already mixed 2 teaspoons of yeast powder in a bowl with warm water, and then I'll be adding vanilla extract to this batter, warm water, and also a cup of homemade cashew milk. So you can choose any milk of your choice in making this batter. The next step is to mix all the ingredients together and make sure that everything is all well and done. So next, to make sure that the batter sits for 2 hours or more. Get your oil ready in a pan and make sure it is hot enough to get the batter ready and sizzling. So in this video, I tried out 2 methods and the first one, I used my hands to scoop the batter in the pan, and the second time I used a tool to help make the process faster. But guys, guess what, the tool was even slower, so I went back to the first process. But in this video you can see the second tool that I used in making sure that I add the batter in the pan. So guys, our hot puff puff is ready to go, and you can have this as a snack at home or at party, and this is very easy to make. So for those who are looking for alternatives on what to use, you can actually try out other plant milk such as almond milk, cashew milk, rice milk, soy milk, coconut milk, or any other type of milk that suits your health needs. To make this hot puff-puff more delicious, I added some desiccated coconuts as the topping with some homemade chocolate syrup, which I'll be sharing the video next time. I made this before I started creating this recipe or creating this video, so I'll share with you how I made this homemade chocolate syrup. So in this recipe, I used coconut sugar as my sweetener, so you can choose any type of sugar that you want as long as it's healthy. Just make sure that you get it in any store close to you. So by just looking at this video, this hot puff puff looks very delicious, and of course it's healthy. I mean, with all the ingredients that we mixed earlier, it shows that you can actually enjoy your Nigerian puff puff the healthier way. For those who are careful about the type of milk, for those who are careful about the type of sugar, you can actually use alternatives in making your own Nigerian puff puff plant-based style. I like the fact that the puff puff looks crunchy and looks softer inside. You can see how soft it is. So this shows that our puff puff is ready to go. You can actually enjoy this snack with anything, any drink of your choice. You can enjoy with friends and families. This is a go-to snack in every Nigerian home. Thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So let me know once you try this out. You can just tag me or follow me on social media at Healthy Living with Tosin. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and share on your social media platforms. I cannot wait to hear from you in the comment section. Let me know what video you would like to see me do next time. And thank you all for watching again. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.